press the subscribe button and turn your notification on.
Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox the new gadget. It's called Q7 HD Wi-Fi IP camera. As you guys can see, this is the box of the IP camera, and before going to unbox I will tell you about some few features about this camera. It's have a 14 megapixel HD resolution, comes with the night vision, and in a very portable size. It's have a built-in battery, so you can charge the camera and you can keep it anywhere in your house, and you can access the camera through the Wi-Fi. But you can use this camera for the both purpose. If you want to use this as a normal portable camera, you can also use, because it comes with the memory card slot. So if you want to record something, it can easily record and store inside the memory card. And if you want to configure this camera with your router, you can, because this camera is already comes with the built-in access point, so it will be easily configured with your Wi-Fi router, and you can access this camera through the smartphones or through the laptop or through the PC anywhere. This is the camera, as you guys can see, portable size design. This is a night vision function. 14 megapixel camera, comes with the memory card slot, so it can support easily 64 GB memory, so you can record directly inside the camera as well. And if you want to access through the Wi-Fi in your smartphones, you can, and plus you can record also in that one as well. This is some basic information about the camera. This is a barcode function. This is a username, password. So if you want to configure the camera in your smartphone, you can. So let's start the camera. Once you start the camera, you just need to download the application in your smartphone. The application code is available on a box. This is for the iOS and this is for the Android. It comes with some few accessories also. I will show you. It comes with a clip, so you can fix the camera anywhere. For example, if you want to hook it somewhere on a wall or something, you can. This is the manual. Before going to configure, you have to read the manual. What is the setup instructions? Memory card. That's a micro USB cable. It can charge through the micro USB cable, so it's the same micro USB connector which is used to charge mostly Android smartphones. This is a micro USB card reader. This is a clip. If you want to fix this camera like this in your shirt, or if you want to go for some kind of bike riding, you can easily fix and you can use. As you guys can see, it can easily fix here. Okay, so we will just keep all those things inside. Let's first download the application. This is the Android smartphone. So application name is 5276, which we already downloaded in our smartphone. This is a play and plug. Before going to connect this camera with your smartphone, I'll just remove this one. So let's configure the camera. Once you turn on the camera from here, this is the indicator. There is a red and blue light, so once you will see the blue light will start flashing, it means the hotspot of the camera is activated. We just need to go inside the cell phone Wi-Fi. So now you can see the Q7 is already up here. We just need to connect with the Q7. Now the camera is connected. We just need to go inside the application. We have to look for the camera. This is the camera up here in a local mode. So this is the camera, as you can see. And now if you want to configure this camera, this is the functions of this camera: up, down, left, right, zoom in, zoom out. So if I will go back, okay, if I now want to configure this camera with the hotspot, I just simply go to the Wi-Fi. I will look for the Wi-Fi network and I will put the password. So now select the configuration function. Now this camera is automatically connected with my Wi-Fi network. So I just have to go to the Wi-Fi. I have to select my own Wi-Fi network. Connected. I just have to be back on a camera mode again. I just have to wait for the starting the camera again because it's rebooting. Here. Now as you guys can see, now my Wi-Fi network is my home network. I just need to go to the application and I can see the hotspot. So this camera is connected. So this is the portable IP camera. It's a very useful device, like if you want to monitor your house, your office, or you can use this as a PV monitor camera also. Portable design, and once you charge the camera, it can easily give you 2 to 3 hours battery backup. It's a very useful device, only available in a $50. You can buy directly from the online store. The web link is available in the description. If you like the video, please give comment, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. We will see you again with the new video with the more new and fast moving gadgets. Take care.